This burgundy bow tie with yellow polka dots is special because it is made out of a wool shalee fabric. So what is wool shalee? The name originates from the Anglo-Indian word shalee, which means as much as soft. It was first introduced in Norwich in England in 1932 as a soft worsted wool or silk cloth, and it quickly became a favorite fabric of the upper class gentry who wanted something with a soft feel and look. The wool fabric for this bow tie comes from England. It is hand screen printed, and unlike silk, it is very springy and it's a little rougher when you touch it. At the same time, it provides these soft colors that make shalee so unique. This material is favored by gentlemen who like an old world charm and prefer a sport coat over a regular business suit. That being said, the pattern is so classic, you can even wear it with a business suit such as navy, gray, or charcoal, but it really shines in a casual environment. Every man should have at least one wool shalee bow tie in their neckwear closet, and this burgundy version is definitely a keeper because it works with so many outfits and is therefore very versatile.